Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be seeing how to create a new branch and then merge the code. Before we create a new branch, let's talk about why do we need a branch. So if you can see, we are on master branch at this moment. Okay, if team is distributed and big size team, right? Everyone is working on same branch making changes. Okay, it is very error prone. Think in this way that if suppose we are on production and we are using same code base, everyone is making changes. So if any one person commit any mistake, whole production website can go down, or you can see unexpected errors. Okay, and this will cause a lot of problem, right? To avoid this, we have a very good feature in Git to create a new branch. Okay, every one of us can create a new branch, work on that branch, commit our code. Okay, get that code reviewed by a peer person, and then finally merge that branch to the master or main. Let's see how exactly we can create a new branch. Okay, so very simple command is git branch and then the branch name itself. Let's say feature one. Okay, so if you see the branch is created, but we are still on master branch. Okay, so we need to check out this branch. Git check out feature one. Now you can see that we are on feature branch. Okay, earlier we were on master branch. Okay, now I can make any changes uh, to the code base and then add it and commit it. Okay, it will be only with my feature one branch. Okay, let's say I do this, I make this. Okay, and say second paragraph. Okay, and then let's say I add a sample 2.txt, and then they say this is a sample text file. Okay, okay, so if I do git status, there should be two files where we have the changes. One is sample.html where I added the line number 10. Okay, and then there is one new file which we have created is sample2.txt. So uh, we will add both of these files to the git. Okay, there is very simple command. We need not to mention the both the file name. We can directly do git add dot. Okay, dot will add all the modified or newly created files. Okay, now we will do commit. Okay, okay, if I do git status, okay, there is nothing to commit now. Okay, I can switch to the master branch as well now. Git checkout master. Okay, if you can see, we are in master now. Our code which was there in feature one branch is not there here. Okay, that's the beauty of this, right? Again, if suppose I want to check out feature one. Okay, again you will see the changes which we committed in feature one branch, right? So this is how you can create a new branch. Okay, make changes and commit your code, and you can isolate yourself from the main or master branch, right? There is very simple command to create the branch and as well as directly check out that branch, right? Let's say git checkout hyphen b and the branch name, let's say feature 2. Okay, what would happen is that it would create a new branch feature 2 and then also check out that branch. Okay, we directly landed on this branch. Okay, so in this branch, let's say I add this line, third paragraph, and then let's say sample 3 dot text, sorry, sample 3, so sorry, it's text. Okay, and this is a sample text file. Okay, if I do git status, same way one file is modified, and then there is sample3.txt file which we have added, right? So let me add this, commit this as well. Okay, suppose now if I do, let's go here so that you can find the difference. Okay, so let's say if I do checkout feature 1, third line should be gone. Okay, if suppose I do git checkout master, second para should be gone. Okay, if suppose I do directly checkout feature 3, so I should get back the second and the third para. One second, so it should be get checkout feature 2. Okay, so we got back our second and third paragraph. Okay, that's the beauty of this. Now suppose I want to now merge my code to the master branch. Okay, so a person who is working on feature 1 branch, he want to merge his code, and then the second person who is working on feature 2 branch, he want to merge his code. So let me switch back to the master branch. Let's say check out master. Okay, now I want to get code of feature 1 branch in my master branch. Now we have a merge command which will merge the feature 1 to the master branch. Let's do this. Get merge feature 1. Hit enter. Okay. So with this, you are on master branch, but you saw that we got this second line, second paragraph as well, and then sample2 file. Okay. Now I also want to get feature 2 changes in master. Okay, I would merge again. It's, let's say, git merge feature 2. Okay, it will get me the codes which are there in feature 2 branch as well. Okay, this is how you create branch. You can switch branch. Okay, you can directly create and switch to the branch. Okay, and you can also merge the code from one branch to another branch. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.